Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nick Wilde from Zootopia 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves up, leaving a gap in the center. And then close off the bottom of each eye with a curve across. Now inside each eye, let's add a curve across. Then in the bottom section, let's draw a curve down and up. Another one inside from the top. And color these both in black. And then let's add a small circle on the bottom left. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the right eye and draw a wavy line down. And another one on top. Now for the left eyebrow, we're going to start higher up and draw a wavy line down. And the same thing on top. Now that we're done the eyes, we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on each side and let's draw an angle up and in. And then a curve across the top. Now on each side, let's draw a point out and back in. And two more underneath. And then let's angle it down, meeting at a point in the center. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move back in and draw the nose. In the center, let's draw a curve up. And another curve underneath. And then inside, let's draw two bumps at the bottom. And color these in black. Now for the mouth, let's draw two curves down and out underneath like this. And add a small curve on each end. Now around the mouth, let's draw the pattern. Starting next to the nose, let's draw a curve out. And bring it down on each side. Now lastly for the head, we're going to hop up and draw the ears. We'll start with two curves out and up. And then let's curve it back down. Now inside, let's add another curve up. And down. And now inside, let's add 2 points like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a V-shaped point down. Then on each side, let's angle it out. Another angle next to it. And close off the side of each color. Now underneath, we're going to draw the tie. Let's start with a line across. 2 angles down. And close it off. Now on top, let's draw 2 angles up on the left and on the right. Now for the bottom part of the tie, let's draw 2 longer angles underneath. And a V-shaped point at the bottom. Now let's add the pattern inside the tie. In the top section, let's draw a few bumps. Now let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw a flower, starting with a circle. And some petals around. Now let's add a leaf underneath with 2 curves coming out from the left. Another flower underneath here. And one more leaf at the bottom. And that's it for the tie. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shirt. Let's start on each side and let's draw 2 lines down. Now at the bottom, let's curve it out slightly. Angle it back in, leaving a gap in the center. And then 2 angles up to the tie. Now to add the sleeves, we're going to hop up and let's draw a curve down underneath each side of the collar. Now let's add an angle underneath, starting from the body. And close off the end of each sleeve. Lastly, for the shirt here, let's hop in and let's draw a pocket. On the top right, let's draw a square shape. And add a line across inside near the top. And that's it for the shirt. Next, we're going to draw the arms. Underneath each sleeve, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then let's angle them back in like this. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a line across. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines. And bring them down. Now let's hop out and let's draw an angle down from under the shirt. Angle it back in. And close off the bottom of each pant leg. Now inside the pants, let's draw the badge. On the top right, let's draw a line down and then back out. And then inside, let's draw a point and a circle inside. And that's it for the pants. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center. Then let's hop out and let's curve it out and down. Now for the toes, let's draw a small curve in from the outside. Then for the next toe, let's curve it down and in. Another curve down. And then close it off with a longer curve back in. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. Let's start next to the left arm and let's draw a wavy line out. Now let's curve it in at the end. Another point down. One more curve down. And then let's bring it back to the body with a wavy line like this. And continue it on the other side in between the legs with an angle up. And that's it for Nick Wilde. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!